How you going? It's Anthony here from Tag, and I'm sort of just starting to launch our dynamic program. I've got a little bit of a chuckle going as we all sort of probably on the other side start to sit and cringe. So look, Anthony again from Tag, working in now with the Dycom group to deliver a Christmas hamper. Having worked with Martin at Subdivision and Strata, we've put together what I'll call the final piece of the package that we want to launch at the well, 2000, the closing of the 2014 business marketplace next Wednesday. And really where I'm going from is I'm trying to get myself around my slides and everything here. It's not intended. Whoops. Anyway, I've already stuffed up. There we go. Look, I believe at the end of the day what I'm delivering is more time. Okay, pretty big statement I think, but at the end of the day what I'm hoping or anticipating is that we've illustrated through having the right people around you and using the right standards and setups you can just go plug and play with, then we can leverage our time massively. We're not looking to, at this launch, we're looking to get to clarity in myself. I've got other people coming through so I understand value, and as I do this presentation obviously it can be scaled a lot further. So without further ado, let me just jump across, because we're going to be talking, you know, a lot of my systems based around automation. I'm going to be punching out some of this stuff through here and sort of starting to share it with quite a large list as we get through. Having worked in the internet marketing space, one of the tools that we've sort of got here is Copy Sniper, which I've shown you a link to as well. And I'd really suggest to have a look. These guys are making their squillion dollars, and you know, off the line, we've got the mathematics already calculated. We'll sort of start to illustrate that to a few others during the course of the week. You know, a lot of people would go, oh, you know, what's going on? And look, you know what? I'm probably one of those people, long, but it's tested and measured. It stood the test of time, and I've paid enough for their mentoring, so I think that it's time to actually get return on that knowledge, return on that investment. Without yapping, because I am in a rush, what we're doing is we've packaged up a bundle. Now, this is pretty much a full-blown system at the moment. We've integrated with our Google Docs type thing, or Gmail, rah. We're going to put in some automation so we have a little bit of our own package instead of wanting to use something like this down the track. Now I'm just going quickly. It's all different modules. It's dynamic, and it can expand into what we want to do. Okay, so that's where I'm trying to get a marketing crossover, writer crossover, understanding, as I'm talking techie with my hands, writing, critiquing, understanding, so that we actually get to the sales letter in a tangible, convertible, quantifiable way. Get the message clear, Anthony. So look, so we've got our sales, we've got a CRM, we've got help desks, all of these things that we can sort of start to do voice. You know, Dycom we've spoken, we could actually integrate into here and have management systems or support centers online, sort of managing all of your workflow. The accounting, we've got, my particular version here is embedded, so that actually is working out of here at the moment. And yes, I still have to fix Martin's little thing I noticed again today. So project management, task delegation, blah blah, human resources, timesheets, time tracking, time allocation, blah blah. I don't want to go too quick. We'll go into depth. Quality control, coming from a field maintenance point of view, it's this has been designed so that you can implement ISO certification effectively. We've got people around us who can help us get into that area as well, but the core of it's been designed around that. We've got the knowledge center, which is all your document control standards, blah blah, being loaded up. It's really the hub. When anything like this comes in, it's really sort of storing it up into here as well. Reporting, probably what I'll call the whole journey, and why I've done this is the ability to bring all of this data into manageable information in such a effectively immediate way is, to me, from where I've been in business, it's just the bee's knees to make it a far more manageable, far more profitable business. Again, without wanting to digress too far, warehouse is more around, you can have inventory if you've got an online store or something like that. For me, I've come from manufacturing, so I wanted to maintain a level of warehousing. I want to be able to sell online, and I want to be able to have physical product being sold through one of our sites as well. Tools is really, we're starting to talk about, here comes the developer, surveys, SurveyMonkey, things like that, so we can start to embed forms into our own sites there as well. Settings is really about the big setup. Now, this is all very what I'll call big, monstrous, confuse them, lose them, don't want to go there. So what we've done is we've created Dyna app. Now, Dyna app, working with Martin, who I'm so very, very grateful for this opportunity as well, has been, it's allowed us to effectively keep it short, keep it sharp, get it in the system. I'm not ready to actually open this because I'm so quick off the mark at the minute, but create leads will basically be punching information back into our sales leads generation. From there on in will be task delegation, project management, automate, 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 and what I'll call phone call management will be the next data entry, where we can start to actually follow up, set appointments, set timelines. Everything can be managed inside the system. I just want to reiterate that. Okay, well look, I think I've done enough yap. I'm probably loving the sound of my own voice, but realistically, I'm going to love the sound of the, you know, the claps and the applause and everything that both Tag, Dycom, and the business marketplace is going to hear next Wednesday. So let's go. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it heaps. All the best. Now, how do you stop this thing?